In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a GoDaddy 404 error step by step. If you're seeing a 404 page not found message on your GoDaddy website, don't worry. This is one of the most common website issues, and it's usually very easy to fix. A 404 error typically means the page either doesn't exist, isn't published, or isn't accessible to the public. I'll walk you through 3 simple checks that will solve this for most GoDaddy users. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check if the page actually exists. A 404 error often happens because the page was deleted, renamed, or set to hidden. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, open your Website Builder dashboard. From there, navigate to Website and then click on Pages. This will show you a full list of all the pages currently on your website. Now carefully look for the page that's showing the 404 error. Make sure the page hasn't been accidentally deleted. If you recently renamed the page, the old link may no longer work. Also check that the page is not set to hidden. Some pages can exist in your builder but are not visible to visitors. If the page is missing entirely, you may need to recreate it or restore it from a previous version if available. If the page is there and looks correct, move on to the next step. The second step is to make sure the page is published and publicly visible. Even if the page exists, it can still trigger a 404 error if it hasn't been published properly. Inside the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, click to open the specific page you're trying to fix. Once it opens, look for the visibility settings. Make sure the visibility is set to public. If it's set to private or password protected, visitors may not be able to access it directly. After confirming the visibility is set to public, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. This is extremely important. Many people make changes but forget to publish the site afterward. If you don't click Publish, the live version of your website won't reflect the updates you just made. Wait for the publishing process to complete and then test the page again in a new browser tab. If you're still seeing the 404 error after confirming the page exists and is published, the third step is to clear your GoDaddy website cache. Sometimes the issue isn't the page itself, but cache data that hasn't updated yet. To clear the cache, go to Settings inside your GoDaddy dashboard. Then navigate to Site History. Inside this section, you should see an option labeled Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache and allow the system a few moments to refresh everything. After clearing the cache, open your website in an incognito window or a different browser and test the link again. In many cases, this immediately resolves the 404 error because the system now loads the most recent published version of your site. So to quickly recap, first, check that the page actually exists and hasn't been deleted or hidden. Second, make sure the page visibility is set to public and click Publish. Third, clear your GoDaddy website cache to refresh the live site. These 3 steps solve the majority of GoDaddy 404 errors. If this video helped you fix your issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy website solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.